What's up YouTube, this is Amo, and in this tutorial I want to talk about roads. But as you saw in the last tutorial, I showed you how you can create a new project of Laravel. So I just created a new project, and this is my directory of Laravel project. So everything looks nice, but in order to run this project I have to type php artisan serve. So this command simply just creates a new server for me that I can run my project. So if I go to localhost 8000, as you can see, this URL is the same, and my Laravel project, my welcome page actually appears here. So now I want to talk about roads, and what I mean by roads is that when you type here something like google.com, okay, this is a URL of your site, and everything that comes after this, for example index, or I don't know, contact, about, and anything else will be processed in your Laravel project, and basically it will goes to your index page, which is under your public directory index.php, and this index.php will process your query string into the web.php. And where is web.php? It is located under the roads directory here. And this web.php actually is calling a roads class which extends a facade, and as you can see here after the slash, it's returning something. It's returning a view, but we don't need to talk about view in this tutorial. So just we can type return hello, and if I refresh the page, oops, it says hello. Very simple, and that's it. That's how roads are working. Here I can copy this and say, for example, about, and here about, okay. And if I go to about page, it returns the about word, okay. And that's it.